Hey guys, this is Ghost57 coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself. Okay guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at this, the Dorma 13778 for a couple models like the Grand Cherokee, Neon, and PT Cruisers from 2000 to 2005. Stay tuned guys and I'll show you how easy it is. And here it is guys, this thing right here will save your life, because if you don't have a key fob or you lost it or it broke or something like that, you can get one of these off of Amazon for about $60 to $90 depending on the discounts you can get. I got this one off of Amazon for 60 bucks. Again, the link is down below. Please click on that link. It does give me about 2% of commission off of this device, and that'll help me make more videos like this. So without further ado guys, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Again, this is the Dorma 13778, and this works on models including the Grand Cherokee from 2004, the Dodge Neon from 2005, and the PT Cruiser from 2001 to 2005. So this is back in the days when you did not have the remote unlock and lock on your key. This is when they used to come with the old-fashioned key fob. So this is actually how it looked from factory, which is really nice. All the buttons are pretty much brand new. The key already has a battery installed, so we can put that to the side there. So this right here will plug you right into the OBD port on your car, just like if you're scanning it. And this thing is really nice because it does give you the exact instructions right here. So what you're going to do when you get to the car is turn the ignition to on position, just like if you're using a regular OBD sensor. And then after you do that, you're going to plug this programmer into the OBD port, and then you'll hear a little chime coming off of this thing, and you'll see a different color like green or red, and that'll let you know it's ready to be programmed. And then with your key, what you're going to do is click on the lock and unlock button for about 3 seconds at the same time. And then after that, you're going to press the unlock button. And by then, you should hear all 4 doors unlock. So repeat steps 1 through 4 if it does not actually work. But this should work pretty fast. So this is pretty much a plug and play kit. Should take under 10 minutes. So let's go to jump outside and program the Jeep. Okay guys, so now we're outside. We're going to go ahead and open up the door to the Grand Cherokee. And this is going to be such a great upgrade because this is all this car came with. So I lost his key fob a long time ago, and it's been super annoying to unlock with this little guy right here. So let's jump in and plug in the programmer. So we're going to go ahead and put the car into the on position. We're going to go ahead and plug this guy in now. Okay, now we're going to grab our key. Okay guys, so now what you want to do is actually hold down the lock and unlock button for 3 seconds at the same time. And then after that, you want to press the unlock button and hold for 2 more additional seconds. And then you'll actually hear the doors unlock. And there you go, you can hear it turn off and on. Again, lock. And you can actually hear it working just fine. So just like that, we programmed our key remote in under about 1 minute. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We'll be making more content like this. And don't forget to hit that Amazon link. It does give me a kickback. As always guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. See y'all soon guys. Bye bye for now.